Hey, let me show you the speed comparison between the face recognition and the fingerprint sensor. So first I'm gonna make the 10 tries for this fingerprint sensor. So let's start. And the last one, it was around 25 seconds. Now let's actually try how this face recognition works. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So as you can see, the face unlocking is slightly faster on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. And it also feels faster, but I think that this is actually some kind of the bug with this fingerprint sensor. So what I mean, when you click on the power button and want to unlock the phone, it's actually keep unlocking all the time. But when I try to unlock with the fingerprint sensor, it doesn't work all the time. Take a look. Now it doesn't work. So there's like some kind of the issue with this fingerprint sensor. It should work like this, that I lock the phone, I put it, and it's unlocked. But now there's like some strange delay after you lock the phone. So it doesn't actually allows you to quickly unlock it second time with the fingerprint sensor. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.